Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making cheesy potatoes in the oven. So let's get started. Alright you guys, so this is what you need. You need 1 cup of cream of chicken or 1 cup of cream cheddar cheese sauce. I'm using the cheddar cheese sauce, 4 tablespoons of butter, 30 ounces of hash browns, 1 cup of sour cream, and 2 cups of shredded cheese. You guys also need a baking dish, a 9x13. I'm just using this one. I put some non-stick cooking spray. First things first, I'm gonna melt my butter for 10 to 15 seconds in the microwave. Make sure to preheat your oven to 375. Alright you guys, so we're gonna put our cream of cheddar first. Doesn't matter what you put first. I divided my shredded cheese, so I'm gonna put 1.5 cups in here. I'm gonna put my 1 cup of sour cream. Then I'm gonna put my hash browns. Make sure they're thawed out, not too rock frozen. I'm gonna mix this together. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna add some salt. Not too much because the cheese already has a lot of salt. So this is how it looks when it's mixed together. Easier to mix when the potatoes aren't frozen. Kind of thawed out is best. Alright, that's what we got. So now we have our pan and we're going to line this up. Perfect. I like a lot of cheese. Hands are washed. So the remaining cheese, I'm gonna put it on top. And then I'm just gonna add some water. Why not? And we're gonna put this in the oven. Put on a timer for 28 to 30 minutes. Alright, so after 28 to 30 minutes, this is what I got. I'm listening to my cheesy potatoes. I always get the corner, I don't know why. That, you guys, is my cheesy potatoes. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.